Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming network and device basics so mirroring works. Make sure your TV and source device are on the same Wi-Fi network and within range. Enable the TV's screen mirroring or casting mode. On smart TVs, this is often labeled Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast built-in. Next, on your phone, tablet, or laptop, open the display or cast settings. Tap the device list and select your TV name. If prompted, accept the pairing PIN shown on the TV to initiate the connection. Once the initial handshake begins, fine-tune resolution and orientation for the best display. On laptops, choose duplicate or extend mode in display settings. Set resolution to match the TV's native resolution like 1920 x 1080 or 3840 x 2160 for clarity. On phones, disable battery saver and close background apps to prevent interruptions. If audio doesn't follow video, open sound output options and pick the TV as the speaker. Make sure to keep both devices active. Some phones time out, so adjust sleep settings during casting. To finish, stop the session correctly and test playback to confirm stability. On the source device, select disconnect, stop mirroring, or turn off casting. On the TV, exit the mirroring app to free resources. If latency appears, reduce video quality or move devices closer to the router. Troubleshooting tip: if connection fails, restart your router and both devices, ensure firmware and OS updates are installed, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that can block discovery protocols. Also try a wired HDMI connection as fallback to rule out wireless issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.